prove that you have the voice, the mind to match. It is time for the final question and answer portion. Candidates, you will each have 45 seconds to answer the question drawn at random. To keep the process fair, we have sequestered our candidates backstage. Hindi na pala. Okay. Candidate number 1, Kenya, please proceed in front of the stage. The question will be coming from Miss Ina Mendoza. Baka ikaw na magtatanong ka. Our own queen. Yes, what's your question to Miss Kenya?
Mamili ka ng number from 1 to 50. 11. Okay. Question number 11. Bago ba ito yung number? Okay, inom muna. Okay. Question number 11. Bakit ang blackboard ay kulay green? Again, bakit ang kulay ng blackboard ay kulay green?
Once you touch the mic, your 45 seconds start. So,
Thank you for the wonderful question. Ang blackboard ay kulay green because noong unang panahon, wala talagang green. Lahat was identified as black or white. Sa tingin nyo, ayun ako doon. Perfect. Thank you.
thank you, Miss Kenya. Up next, we have Miss France. Please step forward and select the numbers on the 50. Your question will be coming from Engineer Jason Alcantara. Miss France, choose number from 1 to 50. 32, okay. For your question, mayroon bang over construction? Kasi mayroon under construction eh. Again, for your question, mayroon bang over construction? Kasi mayroon under construction eh.
Your 4.57 stars once we touch the mic. Bonjour, Jisho Translate Season Kuya. You ready? You ready? Bonjour, Rise Bonjour, Tia Boschmon, Viva de Bassetti, G. Miss Yona Bassetti. Annyeonghaseyo.
Nya?
Meron lang over construction kasi meron under construction.
2,000 years later.
Meron. Sabi niya.
Syukur. Fuck you. Okay, wait. Bonjour, reserva, Gisofia Gismon, representante bis as University Urban Construction, Arigato gozaimasu. Kapag ka, let's wala. As ka wala. Ano ba?
Meron.
Kasi nagsasabwa. Utang na naman sa ako.
Kasi ano, may aircraft with an equivalent airspeed of 200 meters per second. Flying at the exospeed. Thank you.
Next, our third contestant. Isabella, Miss Venezuela. Thank you, Kagawa. Sorry. Okay, your question will be coming from me. Pick a question from 1 to 15. Okay, here's your question. Do infants enjoy infancy as much as adults enjoy adulthood? Again, do infants enjoy infancy as much as adults enjoy adulthood?
Thank you for that beautiful question. Keep it up! Get down muna kayo!
Tawa kayo guys. Pagkagawin yung jail. Yes! Barangay Tanod. Ay, sorry. Next.
Wait, hindi siya nag-shot. Hindi siya nag-shot. Shot.
Our next candidate is from the land of the Pearl of the Orient. We have Nazareth, Philippines. Your question will be coming from Miss Ida Mendoza.
Ano ang mas mahaba? Ang pasensya mo o ang junjun mo?
Bro,
patience, the longer that you will continue in your life. And the longer the patience, the longer the compliments. And I thank you.
Good check. Good check. Tingnan na agad. Next, we have Miss Vietnam. Please step forward. Your question will be coming from Engineer Planet of the Apes. I'm sorry. I've been with a partner.
Hi, Miss Vietnam. Your question is, kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit hindi pa ngayon?
That's a wonderful question. I believe that if I were to die tomorrow, why is it not now? Because I believe that I still have to do my part in this universe. And I believe that I can make a simple impact, even if I will die tomorrow. Because Miss Philippines will come first. Thank you!
Perfect. Our next candidate is the contender of the last candidate. We have Thailand. Your question will be coming from me. Andun Yes. Parang pagsiga. Your question is, kung huling hininga mo na sa mundo, ma-open ka ba kung magtatakip kami ng ilong? Bakit? Again, kung huling hininga mo na sa mundo, ma-open ka ba kung magtakip kami ng aming ilong? Why?
Sorry. Can you repeat the question?
Kung huling hininga mo na, ma-open ka ba kung magtatakip kami ng ilong? Bakit?
Before I answer that question, may I repeat the question? As you said a while ago, if you will die today, thank you for that wonderful question.
In English, if this will be your last breath, will you be offended if we cover our nose? Why?
Kailangan natin maintindihan yung question. Hindi lahat tayo nakakaintindi ng Ingles. Sa wikang Tagalog, hihimayin natin yung tanong. Ang sabi niya kanina, kung ang huling hinanga ko ba? Ulitin natin. Wait. Respect me, please. Kung ito na ang aking huling hininga. Siya ba'y? Siya ba'y? Ako ba'y? Ako ba'y sexual? Ako ba'y ma-open? Kayo ba'y ma-open? O, sige, sapat natin. Simple lang ang aking kasagutan. Kasi, kung ako ba'y hihinga ngayon, ulitin natin. O sige, kung ako'y hihinga ngayon, ma-open ba ako?
queen. Walang queen. Alright. Thank you for our not so intelligent candidate. Next candidate we have. Ako naman po, please step forward. The next question will be from Miss Inay and Rosa.
Hello. Kung mamimili ka ng mananalo ngayong gabi maliban sa sarili mo, sino at bakit?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe that we need to become the center of excellence in aviation education and to assist its graduates in the labor market. And in addition to that, we are serving others, together we thrive. And that's all. Thank you. Bilog na naman ang buwan, ilabas mo na ang kalokohan. Huwag mo nang pipigilan pa ang toyo mo'y lalabas din lamang. Nabilog na naman ang buwan. Bilog na naman ang buwan. Yun lang.
Our last but not least. Ang bongga, pero naman na, USA. Your question will be this.
Oh, sige, sige.
Sige.
Kung bilog ang buwan, bakit bilog ang san mo?
Okay. Ang tanong, pwede ka bang mag-dinner pag may dala kang lunchbox? Bakit? Again, pwede bang mag-dinner pag may dala kang lunchbox? Bakit?
Pwede. Dalawang beses mo kainin.
Pwede mag-dinner pag may dala kang lunchbox. Ay, tama naman sa akin. Kahit dinner nagdala.
Ano ka lang ate? Okay, thank you for our not so lovely and less intelligent candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, farewell walk. 70. Final walk. Ladies and gentlemen, the judges have deliberated, the scores have been calculated, and our new queen is about to be chosen. Before we announce our new title holder, let us witness a final look at our finalists as they take one last walk on the runway as a group. And now, let us welcome to the stage again, our lovely candidates to be serenaded by Chimpanzee. Sorry. Ay, di ba? Okay. To be serenaded by one and only Donkey Kong. Usuma. And now, let us welcome to the stage our